I know you've been hearing a lot of creators tell you how you can get 1,000 subscribers in 24 hours, and you've been asking yourself, is this even possible? I'm here to tell you it is absolutely possible, as I am a benefactor of that. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you're going to use just one app to get all the subscribers you need. So make sure you watch this video to the end to know what this app is and how to use it effectively to enable you get all the subscribers that you need to hit that 1,000 milestone in a very short while. But before we continue, do what to like this video, subscribe if you have not, and share this video to a creator that needs it today. Reaching 1,000 subscribers milestone is something that most of us as creators have been struggling to get there. But not to worry, as you watch this video to the end today, you're going to have the answers to that, and in a short while, you're going to be celebrating that milestone just like I did. Using this simple tool, we are going to be posting YouTube shorts. Yes, you heard me right. But hold on, as this is not the random way we do it. This particular tool makes it really, really special and different for us to achieve our goals using YouTube Shorts in a very short while. And this app works like magic, and it's quite simple to use. So I'm going to hook you on how to use this app. And no, you're not going to have to create YouTube Shorts separately and create your video separately. This simple tool is going to help us do everything we need. So to do this, you're simply going to upload a video that you've created already, or you add the link to that video if you've uploaded the video already. So what this app is going to do is that it is going to scan through this video that you've uploaded or through the link that you've uploaded. After scanning through it, it's going to select out the peak points for these videos and the best performing parts of these videos and generate it into a YouTube short. Guess what? This app is going to help you generate your title, generate your keyword, generate everything that you need to post this YouTube short. All you have to do is just to upload a video, or you add up a link to a video that you already uploaded. So after uploading your link to this app is going to scan through your video and create shorts for you. And guess what? It doesn't end there. This app is going to generate everything needed for that short. It's going to generate titles, generate keywords, generate description, and everything needed for that short to go viral. The best part of it is that this app is going to scan that short to check the viral possibility of that short. So it's going to rate it on a scale of 1 to 100 and tell you how best this short is going to perform in going viral and making your contents go places. Other creators are using this app at the moment, so make sure you to join on and use this app to achieve your 1,000 subscribers milestone, or probably your 2,000 or 3,000 milestone. What is this app? The name of this app is called Opus Clip, and I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step method how you're going to use this app to achieve your goal. So head over to your browser, either Chrome or any browser you use, and type in Opus Clip. Tap on the very first one, as that is the one we are going to use. You're going to register if you've not registered before. So let me put you through the process of registration. When you tap on the first link, it's going to take you to the main page where you're going to see sign up. So you tap on sign up for free. And for me, I am using Google. So you tap on continue with Google, choose the email of your choice, and tap on continue. Once you tap on continue, it's going to take you to this page where it shows you are low on credit. It's going to say upgrade or close. You're going to close it because we want to use the free trial. You tap on close. You're going to see your free trial has started. Tap on start clipping. Then you come to this page where it's going to show you two ways you're going to upload your video. Number one, either you're going to put a link or you're going to upload it from your gallery. For me, I'm just going to put a link to an already existing YouTube video that I have on my channel. So what I'm going to do is I put in the link and then I wait for it to generate. And yes, you can see it has brought up the video. As you can see, it has generated our clip for us, and it rated the first one 99 and added every necessary information, and also rated the second 92. So because we are using a free version, it's only going to give us two shots, but then it added every details needed. You can see it added a title, it gave us the hashtags, it gave us description, it gave us everything we need for this YouTube short. And from the example, it has already rated 199, which means that one have chances of doing better than the other one. So start using Opus Clip today to generate YouTube shorts from videos that you already have on your YouTube channel. This method works, so make sure you use this method to get the subscribers that you've been looking for. I have noticed that about 80% of persons watching my videos are not yet subscribed to my channel. This is a reminder that you should click on that subscribe button, like this video, and share this video to another creator. And do well to watch other of my content on my channel. See you in the next video. Have a nice day and bye.